Hey, no! Oh, come on!
Did it happen again?
Yes, it did.
They sold out?
Instantly. Instantly.
Weren't they promising a better launch than Nvidia?
Well, they would. Duh, they're competing. But this was worse.
Really?
Yes. It was insulting. I made it through the checkout. And then, when I clicked the final button to say I was buying the GPU, access denied. I'm sorry, you're not shopping here today.
Well, at least you never went and sold your previous card.
Yeah, but it's terrible for animation. It renders so slowly. I just want something better. Hey guys, I just got back from the post office. Did I hear a distress signal?
Pierre was just trying to buy one of the new 6000 series cards from AMD, but they're all out already.
Oh. Have you been trying to get a new graphics card, Pierre?
Yes, I have. But seems like no matter where I look, or when they're in stock, they get immediately bought up by robots.
Well, I guess I could let you borrow one of mine.
Yes, this did happen to me, but thank you for watching and enjoying my pain. Hopefully, I will get a new graphics card soon because this took way longer to render than I was happy with. Subscribe if you feel like it. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a like, and I'll see you soon.